Unlock your full potential and maximize your real estate success with the comprehensive features of Zillow Premier Agent. To begin, simply navigate to the Zillow Premier Agent platform and sign in using your credentials. Upon successful login, you'll be greeted by your personalized dashboard, serving as your central command center. Your dashboard provides an immediate overview of your incoming leads and key performance metrics. Watch for new lead notifications and easily track your overall engagement and conversion rates to gauge your current success. Next, explore the integrated Inbox and CRM system, designed for seamless lead management. Click on any lead to access their profile, view their activity history, and communicate directly. Utilize the built-in tools to set reminders, add notes, and organize your client interactions efficiently. Enhance your online presence by optimizing your agent profile. Navigate to your profile settings to upload high-quality headshots, craft a compelling professional bio, and actively solicit client reviews to build trust and credibility with potential buyers and sellers. Easily manage your property listings through the platform. Access the listings section to add new properties, upload stunning photos, provide detailed descriptions, and ensure all your current inventory is accurately and attractively presented to a vast audience. Leverage the powerful marketing and advertising tools to expand your reach. Explore options to create and manage ad campaigns, target specific geographic areas, and monitor your advertising performance to maximize your return on investment. Dive into your performance analytics and reports to gain valuable insights. Analyze lead sources, track your response times, and identify trends in your conversion funnel. This data is crucial for refining your strategies and continuously improving your service. By consistently utilizing these core features, from managing leads and optimizing your profile to running targeted ads and analyzing performance, you'll fully maximize the immense benefits Zillow Premier Agent offers your real estate business.